Introduce quick overview and highlight features of FASDUNT Hand Vacuum Cordless Rechargeable, 8000 PA Powerful Handheld Vacuum Portable Handheld Vacuuming with LCD Display. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include. FASDUNT Handheld Vacuum Cordless Pet Hair comes with humanized intelligent large LCD display. The power dynamic and suction mode are displayed in real time in the process of using or charging. Provide you with a smarter and handier cleaning experience. Hand vacuum with LCD utilizes upgraded cyclone tech with 8000 PA super powerful suction. It makes cleaning more convenient and thorough. Meet deep cleaning. Equipped with 3 different professional nozzles to clean almost anywhere for your home and car. Handheld vacuum cordless is fully charged only for 2 to 3 hours. Could keep working for 22 to 30 minutes with fast charging tech and 4x 2200 mAh high capacity Li-ion battery. Real-time dump energy LCD display and circuitry protection give you a convenient cleaning time. Handheld vacuuming cordless is designed with ECO and max suction modes to better for different cleaning. Up to 30 minutes on 6000 PA ECO mode, up to 20 minutes on 8000 PA max mode. Lightly click the power button, you can choose a suitable mode. The hand vacuum rechargeable jeans with 2-in-1 accessories storage and charging stand, provide you with a convenient charging and tidy storage environment when the vacuum cleaner is turned off. Detachable battery pack can be charged in or out of the vacuum. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.